How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. We got an oil maintenance service to do today. We have a 2019 Honda Accord, and we're going to go ahead and service this vehicle, replace the engine oil filter, and then top off the washing fluid. So let's get to it. Let's go down at the bottom, see what's going on. Alright, so this bad boy has a cover. I removed it. There's also a cover for the oil filter, which is right here. It goes in this area. So now we're gonna attack the drain plug here. It's trying to find a size 18, so most likely it's gonna be a 17. Okay. Yep, 17 it is. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this bad. But one thing I did notice, there's silicone in this area, so most likely whoever serviced it last should have replaced the washer. So we're going to definitely advise the customer that needs to be replaced as well. So let's go ahead and loosen this bad boy up. Okay, then we can loosen this manually. Now, you guys have to be careful because the oil is hot unless you got a cool engine. This one in particular, the customer just drove in, so the engine oil is definitely hot. One thing I'm going to do as well before I even remove this is remove the oil fill cap. So let's go back top side and get that done. That way it could allow the oil to flow a lot smoother. Just leave it open like this. And now we can go ahead and remove this drain plug. Okay, we'll just leave this here till it drains. That's usually what I like to do. I like to remove the oil drain fill cap, and allows the oil to flow a lot smoother and empty out a lot faster as well. There we go, it's looking good. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the oil filter. I already torqued down the drain plug bolt as well. Alright, so let's just turn this around. I'll go ahead and just drain it. I'm just gonna go in here, clean this area up. I want to get rid of all the remnants of the old oil. Okay, now go ahead and grab the new oil filter. Alright, so I got the new oil filter. We're going to add is some oil on the gasket. You want to add some. Alright, so this is the shield that goes underneath the filter. It just goes right here. Just put that bad boy on. Get the screwdriver here. It's a flathead screwdriver. Just turn it, quarter turn, and it locks it in place. There we go, it's right in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the big air shield here. Now the ones that are threaded are the ones that go by these hooks. There's one hook here, one hook here. These are the ones that go there. The other ones, the ones that you do a quarter turn, just go everywhere else. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in here. Want to make sure you put in the hooks. There you go. And put these bad boys in here. Get the flathead screwdriver. Onto it. Just a quarter turn. Hold it in place. Look to the opposite side. Here's the other one. Okay. Now let me put this one here. There we go. Do the same on this one. These actually screw on this side. Here's the other one over here. Sorry. Get this out the way here. Nice and tight. All right, we're done. Let's go top side. All right, so this bad boy here takes 3.6 quarts. So we're gonna go ahead and add 3.6. Let's see how it looks here. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so that looks about right. What I'm gonna do is start her up, bring her down, and then check the oil. Clean this area up real quick. All right, so we just added the oil. Now we're going to check the dipstick, see where it's at. It's right on top, right on the top line there. So it's perfect, right where it needs to be. All right, so now what we're going to do is going to go there, go back inside the vehicle and reset the engine maintenance reminder light. Before we go in and reset the maintenance light, we're going to top off the windshield washer fluid. There we go. Now we'll go inside and reset that maintenance light. Alright, so to reset the maintenance light, we're going to press the ignition switch twice without stepping on the brakes. Just activate everything. Alright, and we're going to see, scroll down. Actually, just hit the home button. Range, and we're looking for maintenance. There we go. There it is. Just click on it on the wheel. Oil set reset. So we're going to click on that. Maintenance reset. All due items. Item B only. We're going to do all due items. Click on that. Reset completed. So everything's good. Now you can hit the home button. And that's it. You can bring it back if you want to set it to speed and time. But that's pretty much how you reset the maintenance reminder. All right, well, that concludes the oil change on a 2019 Honda Accord. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for joining me. SemperFi Mobile Auto Repair. You guys have a good one.